Hello, welcome to the ECE department. We're so glad that you've chosen us as a major for your future career. Today what we're going to do is tell you a little bit more about the department, about electrical engineering in general, about the curriculum and the courses that you'll be taking. We're going to start off though with a video here from Carnegie Mellon. It's a nice overview of electrical engineering and relates it to your cell phone, a technology that you use every day, but you may not know what goes into that technology. So this is going to give you a little bit of an overview, and then we'll talk about the department and the curriculum and where you'll be headed.
A perfect embodiment of this is a smartphone. Almost all of us have some version of it, and we use it in a myriad of ways in our daily lives. But did you know that a number of crucial functions of what's under the hood of a smartphone, such as an iPhone, as well as the functions that are above the hood, are created by electrical and computer engineers? So in the next couple of minutes, we will deconstruct the iPhone and see what makes it tick. Let us start with the radio transceiver, antenna, Wi-Fi, cellular network support. All of these have been developed in the fields of communications and electromagnetics. Since the days of first radio waves that were transmitted and received through the ether, our lives have never been the same. Then, audio and video codecs have been developed by researchers in signal, image, and video processing, the same ones who developed the well-known JPEG and MPEG image and video compression standards that allow us to store tremendous amounts of data efficiently. The camera, which is the social soul of the cell phone, uses digital image sensors that rely on the field of information theory as well as devices that sense light efficiently. Siri is based on the work in voice recognition and signal processing. Battery, touchscreen, flash memory, and power amplifiers are rooted in the fields of electronics, integrated circuits, semiconductors, and data storage. Having all our music and movies at our fingertips would not have been possible without dramatic advances in data storage, for example. Fingerprint scanner was developed in the field of biometrics that uses human characteristics such as fingerprints, faces, irises, and so on to recognize and identify individuals and use it to control access to sensitive information, for example, in banks. On the more computer engineering side, we have the iOS, iPhone operating system, which is the brain of the entire system, controls the behavior of all components. It is developed under the fields of software systems and embedded systems, and it's similar, although not identical, to the iOS 10 Unix-like operating system running on all Apple products. The logic board and processor electronics, ICs, computer architecture comprise the hardware skeleton that allows the software applications to run seamlessly however the user chooses. iOS security. Engineers develop and implement encryption and network security technologies so you know your conversations and communications are private and secure. They protect your data on the phone and check the apps you install for security-critical bugs. At CMU, we believe security also relies on being able to anticipate new attacks, so we build technologies to find novel vulnerabilities and fix them before they can be exploited by the bad guys. iCloud is a storage and computing service on remote shared servers that relies on cloud computing, data centers, data storage, and distributed systems. On-chip, in-package design and testing puts together all of the components in an electronic organism that can function under user control, while the system power management decides when such components can be shut down, set on standby, or sent to sleep when not in use. All these are developed under the design tools and methods areas in ECE. Power and battery monitoring apps allow the user to figure out when will the phone need a recharge or which apps are power hogs. You can learn about these in coursework on workload and user characterization. Shazam, the app that listens and recognizes music, was developed using tools from signal processing, big data systems, cloud computing. Netflix relies on cloud computing, recommendation systems, data science, while Skype relies on networking, signal, and video processing, and many, many others.
As you can see from that short video, there's a lot of cool technology that goes into that little cell phone that you carry around in your pocket. And you can get a sense from that of all the different opportunities that are available to you through electrical and computer engineering degree.